Hey everyone, a little tutorial here for Substance Painter. This is using the 2022 edition on Steam. This is not only for you guys, it's for my students as well because we're running into a lot of issues with students texturing and not knowing how to correct this issue. So the issue is when you're painting in Substance Painter, you're painting, and you go in and sometimes you just want to paint like a specific part and then it starts bleeding onto other parts of the mesh that you don't want it to. Like, how do we correct that? Or even when I'm erasing, I'll undo that and I erase, but it's erasing parts that I don't want it to erase. How do I fix that? So the reason why it's even doing that is because inside your brush tools here, if you scroll down, you're going to run into what's called your brush alignment. Right here, you have your alignment. And currently it is set to tangent wrap for both your eraser and your pencil, 1 and 2 on the keyboard, your brush and your eraser. What you need to do there is change it from tangent wrap to UV. And then what's going to happen is if you start erasing, see that? No other issues on other parts of the texture. It's that quick to fix that issue. Now I can go in and paint, and then as long as it's set to UV mode instead of tangent wrap, see that? No issues at all. See that? No problem at all. It keeps the gold everywhere else. So just try and remember that. Alignment, not tangent wrap. You can switch it to UV and you can switch it back whenever you want. You can switch it to camera, tangent planar. Really helpful, really useful, and fixes up a lot of people's issues really quick with this program. Just a little quick tutorial. I thought I'd help you all out. Be sure to check out my other tutorials. And if you have a request for a tutorial for Substance, 3D Studio Max, ZBrush, anything like that, I'm going to start pumping them out so you can make suggestions and I'll make some. Thank you very much and talk to you guys soon.